Additive manufacturing is changing the way we design and produce various components. At Comtes FHT, we have several systems available for additive manufacturing technology research. The MX600, an industrial system for high-quality metal parts with high precision and process stability. The system works on the principle of precise powder cladding. The MX Lab. Just like the previous system, it works with laser powder cladding. However, the device is smaller and is ideal for materials research, process parameterization, and small prototype series. The Meltio system also allows for the flexible and efficient production of larger metal parts using laser wire cladding. The Econity 2 device, a modern metal 3D printer with laser powder bed fusion technology, an ideal platform for developing complex-shaped components for various applications. The Sinterjet system enables the rapid production of metal parts without supports and with high productivity. It is particularly suitable for smaller components with maximum shape accuracy. The Mini Factory, a device for 3D printing polymer materials that withstand high temperatures. The results of our work are functional components and prototypes of parts or tools. We also print optimized structures, for example, for heat exchangers. Additive manufacturing technology also brings new possibilities to the field of component design. In the laboratory, we develop and optimize additive manufacturing processes. We characterize powders, measure mechanical properties, develop printing strategies, and perform simulations of 3D printing technologies. We cooperate with industry on applications for aerospace, energy, and automotive. Our clients include companies like Volkswagen, Boeing, Swatch Group, and Apple. Additive manufacturing, technology that pushes the boundaries.